Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Tuesday, November 29th. We had a pretty strong south wind all day. It's now shifted to the north and it's cooling off. It's gonna freeze hard tonight. So let's go ahead and get these covered up. Tuck in our baby radishes. It's growing really well. And just like that, we're buttoned up, ready for the freeze. You can do this too. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you.
Good boy. Come on. Let's go to the house. Let's go to the house. Come on.
Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.